In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide menu items in WordPress without using plugins. Whether you're trying to declutter your navigation bar or temporarily hide certain pages from your menu, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. We'll be using WordPress's built-in tools, so there's no need for additional plugins or coding knowledge. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to customize your site's menu with confidence and precision. If you're new to WordPress, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started. First, let's begin by logging into your WordPress account. Open your preferred browser and head over to the WordPress homepage. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the Login button. This will take you to the sign-in page. For the easiest experience, choose the Continue with Google option. This method allows you to use your Google account credentials, making the login process smooth and straightforward. Next, select the Google account that's linked to your WordPress website. It's important to pick the correct account here to ensure you have full access to your website's editing features and settings. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to accessing the site editor from your WordPress dashboard. Locate the Edit Site link in the Quick Links section and click it. This will bring you to an overview of your website. Here you'll see a listing of all the websites associated with your account. Click on the one you want to edit. By doing this, you'll transition into the editing environment, which is where we'll make all the changes to your site. Next up, we're going to navigate to the menu settings within the editing environment. Look for the navigation section in the side panel. Once you find it, click on it to open the navigation settings. Near the top of the navigation panel, you'll notice 3 small dots. Go ahead and click on them. This will open a drop-down menu revealing additional options for managing your navigation panel. From the list of options, select Edit. This will enable you to modify the structure of your menu and make the adjustments you need. Now it's time to hide the menu items you no longer want displayed. In the Navigation Edit mode, you'll see a list of all your current menu items. Carefully review the list and identify the specific item you'd like to hide. Click on that menu item to bring up its options. Depending on your version of WordPress, you may see an option to either remove or hide the item from the menu. If you see the Hide option, click it. Alternatively, if no direct hide option exists, you may need to remove the item entirely. Just keep in mind that this action only affects the visibility of the item in your menu. It does not delete the actual page or content from your website. So don't worry, your content will remain safe and accessible elsewhere. Once you've made your changes, the next step is to save them. Locate the Save button within the interface, typically at the top or bottom of the editing panel, and click it. Saving your changes is critical because it ensures that all the updates you've made are applied to your live website. Without this step, your adjustments won't take effect. Finally, let's verify that everything looks the way you want it to. Refresh your website by opening it in a new tab or reloading your current tab. This is a quick way to confirm that the menu updates have been applied correctly. Check to see that the menu item you hid is no longer visible on your live site. If it's still there, double-check that you saved your changes and repeat the hiding process if necessary. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to hide menu items in WordPress without the need for plugins. By following these steps, you can easily streamline your navigation bar and enhance your site's user experience. If you have any questions or need help with another WordPress feature, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.